So my plan today is to change the downpipe from turbo to the exhaust. And to be honest, it looks kind of weird right here, so I don't know if it will fit it, but I bought it as by the VIN number. But the thing is, because I have a glider truck, all of my parts and modifications are messed up. Just like this. So we need to take out this O-ring that goes from turbo to the downpipe, and then right there that goes to the flex pipe. Let's do it. Okay, so using my Craftsman tool set, have it for, oh man, so many years. Tight. And we need to get that O-ring or ring, clamp ring from turbo that goes into downpipe. There is nowhere to put the GoPro to, so one hand work, just like this. Kind of shake it, and I'll show you what is the problem is. If the camera will catch that. This piece is, where is it? It's right here. That got broken, and the fumes goes all over the place, even inside the truck too. Let's get this clamp also. It's gonna be kind of challenging to take it out, but we'll do it. So I'm all the way under the tire here. To get to this clamp, you would have to go with your hand under the frame to the ratchet right here, and with your other hand to hold this bolt right here with the range or something. So I did manage to lose that clamp there, but it's not going anywhere. So what you have to do to also lose, what is it, these two bolts and get the clamp off, and then work with the flex pipe off. More work, but what I can do. That's the only one way. So I just took out this pipe here, and that was the complete waste, because the inlet of this turbo is just whoop, goes right past it. So dealers sold me a wrong pipe. Yep. So I have to do something about it. Ah, man. That sucks big time. And that was it wasn't easy to take this pipe out. A lot of jiggling and wiggling. Yep. Okay, so I got the right pipe finally for the glider. So here is the part number for the Sirius 60 engine that goes down the downpipe, and it's for the Harrison glider trucks. Let's install it. Oh, by the way, that's the problem I had. See how good lip? And there is no oil, so it looks good. Let's install it. On this build we're using a 15mm extension, 11 for the small one, and for a small one it's also 9, 16 or 15 in the range, and this thing. Whoops. Another side. Let's lose it. And for our thingy, let's do it. Man, where is the... It's gonna be like this, probably easier. Well, let's install the whole thing there. Supposed to go right here somewhere. Yep. Okay, so finally I installed the downpipe for the glider truck. Here is the number. Had to tie those clamps on the back right there. Glider truck.